Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. Chris here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And today I'm going to show you a way that you can buy insurance the right way using AI and some of the AI tools. Today, this particular tool we're using is Claude. Now, we're using the paid version. Now, one of the things you really want to pay attention with all these different AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT is it's public data. So you really do not want to put any of your personal information in there. But here's the good news. When you're shopping for insurance, a lot of times this isn't personal information. These are what's called policy jackets. These are definitions by insurance companies. See, we hear from people every day. Well, the insurance company didn't cover my claim like they said they were going to. My agent didn't explain to me what was covered, wasn't covered. And so, this is a way for consumers to take an extra step to protect themselves. Sometimes an insurance policy is 60 pages, and let's be honest, nobody reads through them. In fact, many times agents don't read through them. Property owners don't read through them. And this is a quick way to understand what's excluded, what's included. So here's what I did. I took what was called a policy jacket. If it'll let me open it up here. On the right-hand side here, you can see this policy jacket over here. It was a PDF file for this particular insurance company. And I asked it to find policy exclusions for me. And here it gave me a list. Based on what I was looking for on dwelling property. That's the actual building coverage on a flood insurance policy. What's going to be excluded with this particular carrier, what's not. As an insured, this kind of tells you, hey, what is flood insurance actually going to cover and what it's not. This allows you to do some of your research before purchasing a policy. As you can see, there was about 14 different things there. It talks about personal property, of where it's located. It talks about open structures and all these different things. And this is just one way. Now let's type in, give me and let's see if it actually gives me anything here when I'm asking for a mortgage clause. What is a mortgage clause? Well, let's see if Claude can show us exactly what that is. Oh, look at this. It actually gives us an answer here. Now, what is a mortgage clause? A mortgage clause is basically the information your home insurance needs, your commercial insurance needs, your flood insurance needs, so the mortgage company can pay it. So as you see right here, it tells you where it's found, the key points in the mortgage clause, if a mortgage company is named on your policy, if they're not, if the claim is denied, all these different things. Now let's find the private flood insurance clause. Remember, the private flood insurance clause is very important because there are certain private companies that have to meet this clause for banks to accept it. So what is the private flood insurance clause in this document? We're going to wait for it to tell us what the private flood insurance clause is. The private insurance clause has to mirror the National Flood Insurance Program in certain situations. Look, it can actually tell me a lot of different things here. But what it can tell me is it's reviewing the document again. And it talks about, the private flood insurance. So what we're looking for here is something called the USC 402 clause. Let's see if that pulls it up here. And these are different things, look, you go through. Once again, it's not finding that. And so this is one of the things you want to take a look at. Now, this is the private flood insurance clause. So let's see. I'm going to go over here and see if I can. Now, something else that you could take a look at here too as well is, what is a deductible? Now look, as insurance professionals, we know what a deductible is. Many times property owners don't, investors don't. They don't deal with insurance every day. And that's what I tell our team is, look, you can't have the curse of knowledge. You've got to assume that people know nothing because they don't deal with this every day. And that's why people like us are considered to be the experts. So in this, You could ask it, what is a deductible? When putting in one of these documents, it's going to define what a deductible is. It's even going to tell you in this agreement how the deductible works and all these different things. And look, you can use this for any policy jacket with an insurance company, and it gives you a good idea, hey, what's going to be covered. Now, look, you still want to meet with your insurance agent, understand what's going to be covered, what's not going to be covered. But these are just some simple tools you as a property owner, maybe you as a real estate investor can use to kind of cipher through all this without having to call somebody, wait for someone to get back with you. These are just some simple ways that you can go through and determine this. Now, as we mentioned, you want to be careful putting personal information in these kind of tools because anybody can get it. What you want to take a look at and put in here is what's called the policy jacket. The policy jacket is basically different definitions in an insurance policy that defines the insurance company's responsibility. The insured, which would be the consumer's responsibility, maybe the agent's responsibility, all these different things. And so you definitely want to pay attention to that. So I hope this helps you as a consumer understand how AI can be used to buy insurance. Make sure if you're over on our YouTube channel that you click, you subscribe, and you share information like this video right here. If you're on our Facebook page, make sure to like it and share this video so other people can see the power of some of these AI tools when it comes to buying flood insurance. My name is Chris Green, the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video on using AI to buy insurance.